Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the Samsung TV here and this applies to any Samsung TV. I'm going to show you to control your TV without the remote. Now this can be helpful in cases where you have lost the remote control. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is find the Samsung logo. Usually there's a light there. It doesn't necessarily mean in every case that's going to be the case, but find the Samsung logo. You're going to feel just beneath the Samsung logo, as you're seeing here towards the right. You're going to feel a raise button. Be careful, there are other bumps beneath there that may feel like a button, but they're not buttons. All right, it should be a rounded button. All right, now to turn on the TV, you're going to tap or press that button once. All right. Now, of course, the TV should start up as seen here. And of course, that is, and my hand is right here, that is the way to turn on the TV without the remote. All right. Now, next, to bring up the menu, press the button once again. All right. Now, as you can see here, this is the menu. Gives you several options. First over here, as you can see, is power. Second is channel up. Third is channel down. Fourth is volume up. Fifth is volume down. And the sixth option is source. Now you're going to press once to move. So a single press will move the option. And there's only one button. All right. To, for example, power off, you're going to press and hold. All right. So press and hold to select. And of course, a single tap to move through the options. All right. So you notice just then I was able to turn off the TV by single pressing until it selected the power option and long press to actually turn off the TV. Very easy. All right. So I'm going to turn on again. All right. So we're up once more. I'm going to bring up the menu. And here's the menu. Now, in order to do something like volume down, notice I've selected here. I'm going to turn down the volume, press and hold, and you notice the volume is turning down. All right. I can also turn the volume back up. It's quite easy. I'm going to press and hold, and the volume will go up. All right. So you see if I press once, it will move. If I press and hold, the option is going to be selected. All right. So you get the idea. All right. So that's how to control your TV. Remember, you'll press once to turn on, press and hold for a bit to bring up the menu. All right, so just press and hold for a bit. It will bring up the menu, like 5 seconds, and one single press. And of course, it will keep moving. Each single press, it will keep moving. And then, of course, once you find the option, you're going to press and hold, and it will actually activate that option. All right, so it's quite easy to control your TV. Just in case the remote gets lost, or of course if you run out of batteries for your remote. And as we said before, this is the Samsung TV here, and this is running Tizen. It doesn't really matter the operating system. It works for old and new smart TVs. All right. Do hope this tutorial was useful to you guys, and of course I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.